What's the meaning of contradict? Contradict. Contradict.
Contradict. Contradict. Contradict means to assert the opposite of a statement or belief. When someone contradicts a statement, they are saying that it is not true, or that the opposite is true. This can occur in many different situations, from debates and arguments to simple misunderstandings. The result of contradicting can be anything from confusion and frustration to a change of viewpoint or a resolution of the disagreement. It is important to approach contradictions with an open mind and a willingness to consider other perspectives in order to effectively navigate these situations.